fern thing or something. What the hell is that thing? I'm going fossil hunting and I have no idea what I'm looking for, but hopefully I can find something really good or even something really bad. So I've parked up here in a sneaky spot and I think this path should take me through to the beach. I can definitely hear it. I can still hear the waves, but I'm worried it might be traffic. So I'm either going to find something. Actually no, this looks promising. Bloody hell, I can see cars up here. How come everyone else could drive up? Here it is, my first look of sand. I think I've found the beach. There's no one here. I mean, it is the middle of the week. Thursday. I hope the tide's not high. Okay, I don't think the tide's low, but it's looking promising around here. But it's so windy. Like, I'm sure those houses have a good view, but I'd hate to live there because it's just getting belted and it's not even a windy day. Well, I haven't gone far up the beach and I've just spotted my first fossil. It's not a very good one, but it's one. I don't know if this one's worth keeping, probably. But as I was looking at that, I found one that's definitely worth keeping right here. Because that's like a little bit of seagrass or something. So I'm definitely going to look around this spot because I've just found them within like 30 centimeters of each other. So I've had a bit of a look around, but I can't find any more in that direct spot. So what I'm gonna do is create a fossil stash because I don't want to have to carry the rest of them with me all the way up there and all the way back. So I might try and make a marker that only I know, so that on the way back maybe I'll have a few fossil stashes. This can be the one right at the start of the beach, and depending on how many I find, there could be a couple more all the way up to the headland. But hopefully I'll be able to find them on my way back, and then I can just carry them all back. Ow, that hurts so much. I just blew a tyre. Look at that, I've never had a blowout that clean. And I hit my bloody rhino heel straight on one of those bits. That's so annoying. Now I'm gonna have to go, well, thongless. Anyway, I've made my stash here, my first stash. It's a pretty recognizable bush. And my thongs are on top of it. I considered bringing one with me, but it looks more natural and less rubbishy if there's two there. This looks like it could definitely be something. I've got no idea what it is. It was just like a little jagged bit of rock and I thought that's cracked because there's something in it. A fault from a fossil. And sure enough, underneath it, it was. Bloody hell, this is a lot better than I remember it. I'm finding so much seagrass. Every I mean, I've only gone that far since that bush where I put my stuff, and I've already found about like, I don't know, 5 fossils. I think I just spotted another one. You know when you see something and you know you've seen it, but it was at a glance while you were turning around and then you can't remember where you saw it? Usually you read a word and you think, where did I just read that? Like, and you have to look around, it wasn't on the TV. Oh, it was on the magazine on the coffee table. Something like that. I think I've just done that with a fossil. Oh, well, I can't find that one, so I give up. I'm gonna keep looking. What I'd really like to find would be like a little fish or something, and I know that's a lot rarer than like a plant or whatever, but that would definitely be a highlight. I do like the plant ones, they're pretty exciting to me. My least favourite's a shell, because that's just like a little walnut and it's boring. It just looks like a little rock. I like skeletons when they're set in a rock. Some shells are okay, ammonites and things like that. Trilobites are good. Okay, so I've found my first one that I don't think is worth keeping, because it's just a bit of a nothing. Like, that's obviously something, but who cares? There's no definition to it. It's about a thumbnail size. It's just boring, so I might as well leave it. I kind of want to smash open the next big fossil-y looking one that I find, see if there's anything inside it. I've never seen anything so fossil-y looking. Hang on, let me set up the camera. Here it is. Can I do it with my hands? Nothing in there. And nothing in there. We'll try again. So I've reached a part of the beach in quotation marks, where it's kind of not uncharted, but a bit further along than most people would get, I reckon. And the rocks have gotten a bit bigger and all that, so it's a bit harder to get along. And I've just had to tighten up my pants because I've got a lot of rocks in them, so hopefully they don't fall down. So I really should stop and make another pile, but I feel like I can't stop looking down because I'm gonna miss the one. There's actually a few as part of these people's front fence, and that's a pretty big one. And there's some more there. I'm having a look at a different type of rock now, like big noduly ones, to try and see if I can find a different type of species. That is so dodgy. I just turned over a rock and found an actual deadly redback spider underneath it. That is so bad, but it's good to know that they're around here. You can see its web. They've got a signature messy web. Well, I've reached the cliffs, and while it's definitely the dodgiest place to look, it's also, I assume, the best. I think I've found my first different species. Yeah, it's not very exciting, but those thin little black lines seem to be something new that I haven't found before, because all the rest have been like a leaf and this is like a stem or something. I'm scared of picking one up and putting it in my pocket with a redback on it now. Just looking around on the ground and I found a working lighter. Or it was working. There we go. Yeah, it's a bit windy, but it was working. Absolute jackpot. This is definitely the fossil of the day. I just upturned that from here and revealed that really good one. And again, have a look at that. Just pulled that up and revealed this super high definition one under there. Unfortunately, that one broke when I was getting it out, but it's still a good fossil. And I'm going to keep looking in here because it looks like a mother lode. Oh yes, Have a look at that. That is a beautiful little fern thing or something. That's the fossil of the day, my favorite one, right in the middle there. So good. I'm gonna take that whole rock home. What the hell is that thing that I just upturned? It's like a mushroom or something. Now, if anyone watching at home wants to comprehend just how easy it is to try and find this stuff, all you have to do like all this. The annoying thing about it though is because they're just so easy to pull apart, the fossils are too. So you have to be kind of rough and gentle at the same time. I'd say that's a pretty good haul. I just walked over here to make a deposit, but looking at my pile, I think I'll sort the good from what I thought was the good and call it a day, because I have got somewhere to be. But yeah, I don't want to have to carry too much back to the car. Can't believe I found such a good little fern thing, amongst other things. And I've got my best fossils in my pocket, so I'm heading back over to my first pile. I don't know how much I'll want from that pile. And then back to the car. That's going to be a bit of a walk. Maybe I can hide them somewhere and drive around and get them. That would be fun. And then home. Then I'll probably try and clean some up. Okay, sorry for the bad angle, I'm trying to hold my pants up. I'm off the beach now. So, I got a few weird looks, but no one should stop me from here on out. I don't even know, I don't think it's bad to take fossils. I don't think it's frowned upon if they're loose, and all mine were loose with a bit of persuasion. Oh, what a trek. Some woman thought I was following her on the way home. She kept glancing behind her. I did look pretty weird, but piss off. This is exactly the vision I had in my head when I started out, when I left today, but I didn't think I'd get it from here. I thought I'd have to go somewhere else.